Welcome back to Good Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix if your Android phone is not charging and you're having an issue and how you can completely fix this up. So we're going to talk about some of the methods which will help you to fix the issue. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is when you're having any kind of issues regarding the charging, the first thing and the foremost thing which you have to try out is you just have to do a restart on your Android devices, which is very easy and which is very simple. So in order to do a restart, you just have to press and hold the power button. You have to keep and press and hold the power button like this. So you just have to keep on pressing. Now you have an option called a restart, right? So you just have to go for restart. Okay, touch to restart so that your Android phone is getting restart. This is the first step which you have to try out when you're having a charging issue on your Android devices. Moving on to the next solution is all about you have to follow these simple instructions which I'll be giving you once after the phone is being turned on. So now before getting to the other step, there are many reasons why the charging issue or this kind of issues happens. So most probably nowadays people have a tendency of keeping the internet, the data pack all the time on your devices, which can drain your battery, which can cause some kind of issues on the battery as well as charging. So I request in the meantime you can only use the internet or Wi-Fi whenever you need, and you can keep the rest time it is not using. So now let's move to the next solution. So next solution is all about you have to talk about the next one, right? So the next one is all about you have to make sure that your phone is not having any kind of software bug. You have to check whether you are on the latest version or not. So you just have to go for it. So I'll be things up. So now I'll be increase the brightness. So now I'll just check for the software update. So in order to check the software update, you have to tap over here on the settings. Here what you have to do is when you're having any kind of issues, you just have to tap here on the settings. From here you just have to tap on system updates. Now from here you just have to tap on software update, and you have to check for any kind of software update or not. You just have to go for it, and you have to check for software updates. As you can see, it is checking, but as far as I know, this is on the latest version, so there is no issue with the software update. Sometimes this can even cause the issue up. So that's with it. Now we have to go for the next one. So next one is all about what you have to do is you just have to go for the next one. So next one is you just have to make sure that even after trying out these two basic steps, even if you're still finding any kind of trouble, the next is you just have to make sure you have to change your cable, the power cable or the adapter which you use right now. You have to change it, because sometimes if this has been using for a very long time or if this has been damaged, then you will not be able to charge your Android device, as well as you'll be getting the when you connect, you will be having the charging option here at the top. You will be having the charging option, but the phone will not be getting charged. So this is what you have to do. So you just have to change your power cable, which is very important. You can change the power cable, and you can see whether after changing out you can try one parallelly, and if it's going to work or not, whether this is going to work or not. You can try this out, and this is what you have to do. Moving on to the next solution is after trying out this, you have to do is you just have to check with that you're having any kind of bugs which I mentioned above, and also followed by in some cases you have to check for it. And moving on to the next solution which I would like to make you notice is you have to download an app named Ampere from the Play Store. So you just have to go to the Play Store and you have to click over here and you have to check for Ampere. Okay, so this is an app. So Ampere is an app which will be giving you all kind of instructions over here if any kind of issues are going on between the charging issues and all these things. So you'll be getting a complete result from this app. Okay, that's why I'm suggesting this. You can download this and see any charging issues been happening on your devices, on your Android device, and you can open this up. Okay, you can open this up, and regarding the battery and all those things, calculation is being made, and this will be giving you all the instructions on your battery and all those things. As you can see, it is all good. So you'll be getting this and you'll be able to understand whether you are having any issues or not. Moving on to the next one is all about after trying with the power cable or replacing it with a new one, if you're having any kind of confusion, in the same way we have to think about the charging ports. As you can see, we have the charging port here, right? So as you can see, we are having the charging port. So you have to be very much aware of the charging port here, because sometimes due to the dust and other particles, which has been quite common, you'll not be able to charge. Even if you connect, due to the dust particles over here, you'll not be able to charge it up and you'll be having these kind of troubles. So it is very important that you have to clean your charging port once in a while to make sure there is no issue with that. Even after trying out all these simple methods, even if you're still finding any kind of issues, I suggest you to talk with your the service centers. You have to meet an expert and you just have to talk to them and ask them what is the issue, and most probably they'll be helping you out. So these are the best tips. That's what I used to say. When you're having charging issues, you have to check from your side and make sure what is the issue. And even after trying out, it's not been solved, you can talk to the expert. You can book an appointment. You can talk to the respective service center expert and you can ask them for the help. So these are the things what you have to try out. And I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.